What if a single car cost more than a private jet and a Beverly Hills mansion combined? Today, we are breaking down 5 automotive masterpieces that actually crossed the mind-blowing $100 million mark, comparing their insane history, engineering, and the billionaire owners who bought them. And you won't believe which legendary racer takes the #1 spot as the most expensive car in human history. Stick around to find out.
Number 5. Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta.
The Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta is Horacio Pagani's personal vision of the ultimate Zonda, limited to just 3 units worldwide. Under the hood sits a massive, naturally aspirated 7.3-liter AMG V12 engine, pumping out 789 horsepower and 850 newton-meters of torque. Mated to a 6-speed manual gearbox, it rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.4 seconds, pushing toward a top speed of 355 kilometers per hour. The entire body is crafted from Pagani's signature carbo titanium weave, left exposed to showcase the perfect alignment of the carbon fibers. Up front, aggressive carbon canards and a deep splitter manage airflow. The most striking design choice, however, sits at the rear. The upper half of the rear wheels is completely covered by carbon fiber spacks, a direct homage to Group C endurance racers of the past. Combined with the massive fixed rear wing, an aggressive oversized diffuser, and the iconic quad exhaust pipe arrangement, the HP Barchetta looks less like a road car and more like a sculptural fighter jet designed for the track.
Number 4. Bugatti La Voiture Noire. Built as a modern homage to Jean Bugatti's legendary Type 57 SC Atlantic, its visual identity is defined by a handcrafted, deep black carbon fiber monocoque body, entirely seamless to the eye. Underneath lies a quad-turbocharged 8.0-liter W16 engine, unleashing 1,500 horsepower and 1,600 newton-meters of torque. It rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.4 seconds, utilizing 6 functional exhaust tips to manage the immense heat and acoustic output of its power plant. The exterior of La Voiture Noire is an aerodynamic sculpture where form rigidly follows function. Its most striking feature is the illuminated single-piece rear light bar that spans the entire width of the car, completely integrated without a single break in the carbon structure. Look closer at the front, and you'll notice the signature Bugatti horseshoe grille is now 3D printed, allowing optimal airflow directly into the radiators. Inside, the cabin shifts the focus from raw track dynamics to ultimate grand touring luxury. The interior is upholstered in Havana brown grain leather, contrasted by polished aluminum accents and custom milled switches. Every surface is tailored to the anonymous owner's exact specifications, balancing high-end minimalist design with Bugatti's uncompromising engineering legacy.
Number 3. Jaguar D-Type. The D-Type wasn't just built to race, it was sculpted by aviation aerodynamics to conquer the 24 hours of Le Mans. Its most defining feature is that iconic, asymmetrical rear fin, bolted directly behind the driver's head to stabilize the car at speeds north of 170 miles per hour on the Mulsanne Straight. Under that long, sweeping hood sits a 3.4-liter triple-carbureted XK straight-six engine. Delivering 250 horsepower, it launched this 1,900-pound machine from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.7 seconds, a terrifyingly fast stat for the mid-1950s. What truly revolutionized this engine's performance at Le Mans was the introduction of a dry sump lubrication system. By eliminating the traditional oil pan, engineers could mount the engine much lower in the chassis, drastically reducing the car's center of gravity and preventing oil starvation during high-speed cornering. Inside, there are no modern luxuries. Instead, you get a massive wood-rimmed steering wheel, analog Smith's gauges, and bucket seats wrapped in utilitarian leather. It's tight, loud, and pure adrenaline, a rolling piece of motorsport history that bridges the gap between automotive design and aeronautical science.
Number 2. Ferrari 250 GTO. When it comes to automotive royalty, this is the ultimate holy grail. In late 2023, this exact 1962 Ferrari 330 LM/250 GTO shattered history, crossing the RM Sotheby's auction block for a staggering $51.7 million. Visually, it is a masterpiece of functional aerodynamics, cloaked in a striking Rosso Corsa aluminum body
sculpted by Scaglietti. This specific chassis features a uniquely elongated nose, a broader floor pan, and aggressive cooling vents designed to slice through the grueling Mulsanne Strait. Under that iconic triple-vented hood lies a legendary 4-liter Tipo 163 V12 engine. This powerhouse belts out 390 horsepower, rocketing the machine from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in roughly 5.4 seconds, all the way to a blistering top speed of 280 kilometers per hour. Inside, the cabin is completely stripped of luxury fluff, embodying pure, raw motorsport heritage. There are no touchscreens or premium leathers here, just a stark aluminum dash, a massive wooden-rimmed Nardi steering wheel, and sparse blue cloth bucket seats, all centered around an exposed gated shifter that connects the driver directly to Scuderia Ferrari's peak racing pedigree.
Number 1. Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR Uhlenhaut Coupe. Topping our list is the most expensive car ever sold. In 2022, this exact car shattered every automotive record by selling for an astonishing $143 million. Meet the 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR Uhlenhaut Coupe, an absolute masterpiece of engineering. Designed by motorsport legend Rudolf Uhlenhaut as a road-legal racer, this masterpiece features striking gull-wing doors, an ultra-lightweight electron magnesium alloy body, and signature side-mounted exhaust pipes cutting through the sculpted front fender. Under the elongated hood sits a 3.0-liter naturally aspirated straight-8 engine. It delivers 302 horsepower, rocketing this 990-kilogram machine from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just under 7 seconds, onto a top speed of 290 kilometers per hour. Step inside the cockpit and you are met with minimalist racing functionalism. Instead of modern luxury, it features distinctive blue tartan fabric seats, a massive wooden steering wheel, and exposed mechanical linkages, giving the driver an unfiltered connection to a car that was essentially a street-legal Grand Prix racer. Only 2 were ever made, securing its status as the ultimate automotive holy grail.